Wood cleaner and wood reviver are not the same. Take this fence panel for example. How do you remove the weathered look ready for a fresh coat of goodness? Let's explain. This is a cleaner. We're using Barrettine's Knockout Mould and Mildew Cleaner. Its job is simple. Kill and remove organic growth, mould, algae, fungi, all the green grimy stuff. It's packed with biocides that break down spores at the surface, plus surfactants that lift dirt so it can be rinsed away. You can use a spray to apply, and then give it a good scrub. Keep the surface damp while it does its thing for 20 minutes. Then rinse and leave to dry. Yeah, it cleans, but the wood still looks dull and grey. This is where a reviver comes in. We're using Osmo Wood Reviver Power Gel. It does a completely different job. This isn't just cleaning, it's chemically restoring the wood. Apply direct to the wood with a stiff brush and work it into the surface. Within seconds, you'll see it working. It contains oxalic acid, which is a natural acid that reacts with the greyed surface of the wood, breaking down the weathered layer and revealing the original colour underneath. Again, let it do its thing for about 20 minutes and then give a good rinse. And this is the transformation you should have. Oh, leave it to dry for at least 48 hours before any overcoating. So a cleaner removes dirt and kills growth, and a reviver restores colour and resets the wood. If you want the best finish from your oil, stain or paint, you don't just want clean wood, you want properly prepared, revived wood. Simple as that.